In this video, traders, we're going to look at mining the attributes of great trading setups. Hey traders, a very warm welcome to you. Okay, so one of the key things for growth as a trader is to do more of what works well and do less of what isn't working. It sounds self-explanatory, but many traders just plow on and on and on and on and on, try and get better, try and get better, try and get better, try and push through walls, where in reality, you can sidestep them and keep moving around. So mining the attributes of great trading setups is a good way of improving. If you put this into your annual calendar, you say, hey, you know what, every quarter, every month, whatever it is, I'm going to allocate time to identify what is good about my very best trade. So this is a 5-step sequence to mining out those nuggets that you can utilize and then reseed into a new trading plan. Okay, number one, sort your trades into profit order. So get your trades from the month, for example. And if you want to print them out into a chart. You can put them all down, lay them all out on the floor and sort them into profit order from most profitable to least profitable. Simple, easy, visual. I like doing it that way. You can have them on maybe a card as well, postcard, whatever it is. But just doing that and sorting them into most profitable order. Then, number two, removing the lower 2/3. So get rid of the 2/3, you're left with a third of the most profitable trades. So you get rid of the stuff that's not so good. Now, obviously, you can adjust that to suit you. You can say, well, you know, I've got quite a lot here that are similar. Let's have a half or let's have a fifth, whatever. But 2/3 is a good to get rid of and then left with a third of the very, very best ones. Then number three, this is when we get down to work and we study the remaining trades. Now, it may be that you haven't dug deep into each trade yet. It might be you just have the data on each, which is fine. I think it's better to do it the other way around, but it's just fine too. So you've got your final third now of best trades. You want to look into each trade. So get the chart out, annotate the chart, what happened, have a look at your journal, put the journal notes on your chart. This may take some time, but it's so going to be worth it. Do that. Now you've got some data. What you're looking for, number four, is to look for a common theme that is occurring through those profitable trades. So you've got your third there. They're good. They're decent trades. You've started to mark on all the attributes of it. Now, is there a common theme? This is where we're mining it. This is where we're trying to find that nugget, guys. So would it be a setup? Hey, you know what? Every time I take these bear flag trades, these are the ones that are giving me the money. The double tops are giving me the money. The head and shoulders are giving me, whatever it may be. Now, just pausing for a second, we've done another video where I've talked about doing this on the other side of the coin. So you look for your biggest losers. So this is actually to be used in conjunction with that. So you do the same thing with your biggest losers to eliminate your biggest losers. And you do this the same thing with your winners to try and double down on your winners. But anyway, back to the point. I just wanted to mention that when it came to my mind. Time of day. So if you're a day trader, is it in the morning? Is it in the evening? Is it lunchtime? If you're a swing trader, is it happen to be, or I've doubled this up with day, is it on a Friday? Is it on a Monday? Is there any pattern there? There might not be, but if there is, hey, wouldn't it be good to know it so that you can leverage on that in future? Market. Is it a specific market or stock? Hey, you know what? Most of my trades last month, winning trades came from gold. Maybe I need to focus more on gold this month, or crude oil, or DAX, or Apple, or whatever it may be. Stop. How wide was my stop? In the scenarios, you know, most of these scenarios I'm making money, my stop wasn't that wide. It went for me straight away. And you start to see other things that perhaps you're not looking for, like how quick it went for you. You know, did it run straight to your target? You know, other things that you can spot and utilize. And we've got conditions. So what's the conditions of the market? Is it trending? Is it range bound? What's the conditions of the broad market? What was your mindset at the time? This is obviously going to require you to have done some journaling. Was you in a good mood? Were you in a bad mood? Were you frustrated? Were you angry? All those kind of stuff. And anything else that you spot. The point is, when you start analyzing these things, you hopefully going to spot a theme and go, you know what? There is something here. There's these three things that have a commonality between all of those. Let me take my old trades out, the 2/3 I discarded. Okay, it's not as common in those. Right, I found three themes that I need to integrate and seeds that I need to integrate into my new revised trading plan. So the fifth thing is you seed your new trading plan with these attributes and these themes, or with those themes and those attributes. So you're saying, okay, you know what, I'm very good at this setup. So your new trading plan, the revised, the 1.3, the 1.4, whatever version you're on of it, says, okay, I need to only look for these setups. These are the ones that I really need to look for. And hopefully as well, you've done this another way around and looked at your losers, you've got two things. You're like, hey, more of this and less of this. So you're creating kind of a double effect and making a revision to your trading plan, doing the same thing, making a revision, constantly iterating, constantly improving. So you're improving on your strengths, you're starting to drill down your weaknesses and move away from your weaknesses and playing to where you play the best and where you make the most money. It makes perfect sense. It takes some time, yes, but it's worth doing. Let me know how you get on with that, guys. See you in the next one. Take care. Keep your risk managed, whatever you do. And if you like this kind of stuff, much appreciated for the thumbs up and the subscription. Take care. Bye-bye.